To install Python, we're going to go to the official website of Python, which is python.org. And from there, we'll download the latest stable version of Python that is compatible with our operating system, run the installer, and then verify whether our installation is successful. Without wasting much of our time, let's open our browser and download Python. In the address bar, I'll simply type python.org. And this is going to open the official website of Python. So this is the official website of Python. To download Python, we'll go over to the downloads, and here we can see download for Windows. And the reason for this is because I'm using a Windows device. So probably you may see a different thing if you are using a Linux distribution or you are using Mac OS. So be sure to download and install the one that is compatible with the OS that you are using. So I'm going for download for Windows. And here we have two options, Python Install Manager and Standalone Installer. So I'll be going for the Standalone Installer. And the version that I'll be downloading and subsequently installing is Python 3.14.5. Of course, this is the latest stable version. So I'll click on it to initiate the download process. And as you can see, it is already downloading. So we'll wait for the download to complete, then we'll run the installer. So now the installer has been downloaded. So I'm going to click on it to install Python. So I'll simply click on this. In this dialog box, I'm going to ensure that I check this option, which is use admin privileges when installing py.exe. And I'm also going to check on this option to add python.exe to path. And with this, I'll click on install now. With this, our setup is successful. So I'm going to close this dialog box. But first, I have to verify whether the installation was indeed successful. And to do this, I'm going to launch my terminal. So I'm going to go to the command prompt and launch the terminal or the command prompt. To confirm if the installation was successful, I'm going to type Python and hit enter. So this is going to launch. Of course, it has already launched what we call an interactive section. So you can see the chevron symbol here. And what this means is that I can type Python code or Python script here, and it's going to run it immediately. For instance, if I type print 5 and hit enter, it is going to display 5. I can as well do something like print hello, and it is going to print hello. I can as well perform some sort of mathematical operations like adding two numbers together or performing some arithmetic operations like multiplication and the rest. For instance, I can say 5 plus 5, and this is going to give me 10. So with this, our installation is successful. Of course, you can learn programming in Python using only the interactive session. But in this course, we're going to be using an IDE. An IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which is an application that allows you to write programs, run programs, debug programs, and so on. And we're going to start by, first, I'm going to close the interactive session. I'm going to do Ctrl+Z and hit enter. So this is going to close the interactive session. If I want to open the interactive session again, I'll simply type Python, and I can start writing my Python codes. And when I'm done, I'll simply type Ctrl+Z and hit enter. It is going to terminate the interactive session.